Hi guys, welcome to Software Jobs Training, and we are on week 4, day 3. So in this section we are going to cover about JavaScript errors. Alright, so by the 4-week training you must have gone through a lot of coding errors. These could be because of incorrect syntax or missing variables or semicolons, or basically it could be any problem, right? So in this section we are going to see that how to cover up, how to deal with these errors in JavaScript. Okay, so if I go to slide number 2, right now we are going to cover about try and catch blocks. Okay, so try statements are actually the statements that allow you to test code, and the catch statements will help you to deal with the error messages. Okay, so let's get in detail with the try and catch block and see what they're doing. Okay, so over here we have written the try keyword, and in the curly braces block we have written a code. Alright, so the try block will actually execute a code and it will test it out if it works right or not. Okay, so in case an error is generated, it will be thrown to the catch section, which will eventually catch the thrown error, and it will be caught in a variable ERR. Okay, and in the curly braces you can actually write the output, the error output that you need to show to the user. Okay, so over here intentionally we have in the try block we have intentionally written the wrong command over here, so we have written wrote instead of write, and when it will move through the try block it will actually throw an error to the catch section, and it will be displayed over here in the document.write. Alright, so as you can see that our output is showing that there was an error in our code, and then it is actually showing me the error message which is coming from here. Okay, so let us just see them how to write this try and catch block. So I'm going to the live editor, so let's go ahead and create a new file and call practice.html. So I'm going to write the HTML structure first of all, and in the head section let's put the title. Let's go ahead and write the script. So we are going to put our code in the try section, and here I can just write the wrong command. So I've written the wrong syntax for the alert function, so I've put in alerts, and this will actually throw an error. Okay, so for that we are going to write the catch section, and in the catch section we will display the error message. And we can just concatenate the error message. Okay, so let's try to run this up and see if we get the desired result. So I'm saving this up, and you can see that error in code alerts is not defined. Okay, so we are getting an error output of our code. Alright, because this alerts was written, it was actually misspelled by me intentionally to test this out. So in this way you can just write your normal code in the try block and the error outputs in the catch block. So you can just try to run the code, and if it's right it will show the normal output, otherwise it will throw an error to the catch section. So catch section will deal up with the error messages. Okay, so it's very simple and very good practice to put our code in try catch blocks. Okay, so if I go to the slide number 3, it is actually a skill assessment. I can just skip this up. So this will bring us to the end of the video. So thank you for watching.